In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create and add shipping policy to your Shopify store. A clear shipping policy helps customers understand when to expect their order, what delivery options you offer, and what to do if they need updates. It also reduces support requests because the answers are easy to find. Start by logging into your Shopify admin. On the left side of the screen, scroll down to the bottom left corner and click Settings. This is where Shopify keeps the important store-wide options, including your legal pages and policy content. Inside Settings, select Policies. This section contains the text for different store policies, and Shopify can display these to customers, often in the footer of your online store. Once you are on the Policies page, scroll down until you find the Shipping Policy area. Click into the Shipping Policy text box and begin typing your policy details. First, include your processing time. This is the time it takes you to prepare an order before it ships. Be specific and use business days if that is how your operation runs, such as 1 to 3 business days. If processing time changes for made-to-order items, high-volume periods, or weekends, make sure the wording matches what you can reliably deliver. Next, add your shipping rates and delivery estimates. Clearly separate domestic and international shipping so customers can quickly find the section that applies to them. If your rates vary by location or order value, explain that in simple terms. For delivery estimates, focus on realistic ranges, since carriers can vary. Then include any local delivery or pickup options you offer. State the coverage area for local delivery, the cutoff times if applicable, and when pickup orders are typically ready. Clear instructions here prevent confusion at checkout. After that, explain how customers can check their order status. Let them know they can look for shipping confirmation and tracking details, and where those updates are typically available once the order has shipped. When you are finished reviewing your policy for accuracy and clarity, click Save. Your shipping policy is now stored in Shopify and ready to be shown to customers, where your theme displays policy links. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.